Katawan po kay Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte ay si Foreign Affairs Secretary Alan Peter Cayetano. Maya-maya lamang po ay formal na ring ite-turn over ni Secretary Cayetano ang
hindi makakarating ng Pangulong.
Sa paligid lang po natin, At talagang hinaharap niya meron siya mga hinaharap na ilang bagay upang maayos talaga yung hinaharap natin na challenge sa bayan.
Ano ba yung condition ni President ngayon?
It's just that he's not feeling well. No? So puyat na puyat at pagod. No? Nothing to worry about.
So he's just in Malacanang? Bahay pa nga?
I think he's here in Metro Manila. I don't have the full details, but I received the call 5:30 a.m. this morning, and I talked to his people and inquired. Sabi, no problem, he's okay, but tired and doesn't feel that well, so better to rest.
So sir, 5:30 a.m. pa lang sinabihan na po kayo?
Between 5:30 to 6 a.m. But I was really going here naman, so eksakto din naman yung time na sinabihan.
Sir, sa original schedule po niya, after ng rights nito, ay aasikasuhin daw yung Mindanao problem. So magagawa pa ba niya today,
Yes.
given that he's not
I
feeling
think
well?
precisely that's why he's resting, or hindi siya nagpilit na magising kasi napakahirap ng 2-3 oras lang tulog mo. And then you're going to have to handle, as you all know, we're supposed to be in Malacanang at 10 o'clock for the traditional Band de Honor, no? Pero ang ng Pangulo, he doesn't feel like giving a toast kahit symbolic na namamatay yung mga sundalo, na yung mga evacuees, yung mga displaced ay nasa mga probinsya, nasa tabi ng Marawi, no? So he really intended to focus, no, almost 100% of his time on resolving the not only the Marawi situation but the situation in the whole Mindanao, no?